welcome back to my channel. It's Shalini, and first of all, thank you so much for 13k plus subscribers. I cannot believe it. I have 13k plus subscribers. Yeah, it's a huge thing for me, so thank you so much for that. So today's video is a very interesting video. So a few days back I posted one Insta story on my Instagram telling you guys about apple cider vinegar, that how I've been using it on my face for a glowing skin, and a lot of you guys wanted to know all the other ways in which you can use it. So there are different ways which I like to use apple cider vinegar, and the vinegar which I'm talking about is by Wow apple cider vinegar with mother of vinegar. So you want to make sure the vinegar you are purchasing has written mother of vinegar written on it. So basically you can see the particles floating in the bottom of the bottle. So apple cider vinegar is really good for your health. Not just talking about taking it internally but externally also, because you can just use it all over your skin, on your body, on your hair. So yeah, I'm here to tell you different ways in which you can use this baby right here. And as you guys can see, I've been loving this product so much that I've reached till here, and I've ordered a new one from Amazon. So for measuring purposes, I will be using this small measuring cup which came with the bottle. So I'm going to show you how I like to use apple cider vinegar in my regular vegetable salad. So in this case, I'm using some chopped cabbage, over that some roasted peanuts, little bit of chopped strawberries, some chopped cucumbers, half a chopped onions, and chopped tomatoes. I love tomatoes. And over that I will just add half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and for some taste you can add some salt and pepper, and that's about it. Just mix them all well and the salad is ready to go. Ooh, that's one yummy looking salad, guys. Trust me, after making this video I had it all for me because that was so delicious. And you do not need any chatpata masala or extra masala in your life. Apple cider vinegar will do the job. So the next thing in which I like to use apple cider vinegar is on fruit salads. So here I'm taking some banana, some chopped apple, and chopped strawberry, and some black grapes. They are my favorite. And taking half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, seasoning it with some pepper and salt. Little bit of salt, you do not need too much of the salt. Sweet and tangy flavor fruit salad. One of the topmost benefit of taking apple cider vinegar with your regular diet is that it can help you lose some weight. So if you're on a weight loss journey like me, trust me, you can save up to 200 to 300 calories for a day, because it tend to make you feel fuller faster, so you tend to eat less in a day. So yeah, I love to use apple cider vinegar with my salads and with my diet. I know we have a busy schedule and we always want to snack on something, and we tend to reach out for the things which are easily available like samosas, chaats, jalebis and kachoris. They are loaded with lot of calories and are not good for your cholesterol, not good for your health, and can ruin your weight loss journey. So instead of snacking on them, you can snack on something which are loaded with lot of good fibers and nutrients. That is vegetable and fruit salad. Add apple cider vinegar to it to keep it fresh for a longer period of time and make it taste delicious, and enjoy your favorite snack. So we always start our day with 2 glasses of warm water to boost our immune system for the day. So why not add some health benefit to it? So I'm adding half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and diluting it to the warm water, and I've been drinking this lately every single day. It has got lots of health benefit, like it reduces cholesterol, lowers blood pressure, and it fights diabetes. Another best way to drink apple cider vinegar every single day would be adding it to your regular water. So take 1 tablespoon of ACV to your 1 liter of bottle and drink it throughout the day. The water will taste a bit citrusy, so you can add your favorite fruits like antioxidants, strawberries and apples to make the water taste more flavorful and delicious. So lately I've been taking good care of my hair and going as natural as possible, so using apple cider vinegar as a conditioner for my hair. So add 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to 1 glass of water and apply it to your damp hair. It will give you nourishment and condition your hair. So because of the antibacterial property of apple cider vinegar, you can use it as a toner for your skin. So to prepare the toner, take half a cup of apple cider vinegar and 2 full cup of distilled water. You want to make sure you're using distilled water for this because you can store it later. So dip the cotton ball to the toner, squeeze out the excess and apply the toner all over your face. Do not apply it under your eyes because this can give you burning sensation, so don't do that. and this toner has got antibacterial properties, so it helps to fight any building up acne you are having, and it also fades away acne scars. It evens out the skin also. So apply the toner every time you wash your face and before applying any moisturizer. So as I told you can store the toner into a glass bottle. Here I am using a old serum bottle which I had. So yes, you can also spot treat any acne. Use a Q-tip for it. Spot treat your acne. I know we all have been there. So one of the most weirdest and the fun thing you can do with apple cider vinegar is that you can use it as an underarm deodorant. Because of the antibacterial property, it will fight the bacteria under your arms which causes that weird smell. So yeah, one toner and lot of hacks. And that's how I've been using apple cider vinegar every day for a healthy glowing skin. And that is how I like to use apple cider vinegar, guys. They have really good health benefits and I think you should start using it too. I have PCOD. It is recommended for the PCOD people to drink apple cider vinegar with warm water, and I've been loving this. It has improved my digestion also. I know some TMI things are happening here, but it's true. Now you know what to do. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more of such videos and hit that notification bell icon, guys. It's important to do so because it's free and you will get notified. My face will pop into a notification on your mobile phone, or if you're subscribed to my channel on your laptop also, yeah, you will get to know about my videos. So if you want that, please do that and give this video a thumbs up. I really want you to share this video, guys. I don't say this in all of my videos, but this could be a helpful video for people out there. So yeah, please do that. And I guess that's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.